Hi guys, this is Joe from Techie Lobang. Welcome back to the Techie Lobang channel. So I received a special package today and I was quite surprised in this COVID-19 situation. I think this is a pleasant surprise for me because I did not expect it to be in such a nice packaging. And this is the package that I received. Never settle. So it's from OnePlus. Yes, OnePlus. So I have received quite a number of phones from manufacturer or from brands, and this is one of the fanciful ones that I got, and I was quite happy that during this COVID-19 season I got something so nice to unbox. And by the way, this is a review set, just for your information. And I guess maybe some of you already know what's inside because the latest handset from OnePlus is actually the OnePlus 8 on OnePlus 8 Pro. So if I'm not wrong, inside here will be the OnePlus 8. So without further ado, let me open up this package. Okay, this fanciful package. Very nice and heavy. And let me open up. Ooh, it's a bright red color. And let me see what's inside. It's a book. If I'm not wrong, it's a book. Oh, such a fanciful book for a phone. And high gloss, big characters. Oh. Okay, I'm really going to read about it because I am not very familiar with OnePlus, but at least I think this book can give me a very insightful understanding of OnePlus 8. So all the specs are inside. So great surprise specs. And what's inside the box? Okay, I see I do have some casing. Okay, some pictures. Okay, that's it. And let me share with you what is inside this package. Okay, it is a OnePlus 8 sandstone bumper case. It's a cyan in color. And also one more OnePlus 8 nylon bumper case, black in color. And this is the main event, the OnePlus 8. Notice the big 8 over here. So it's OnePlus 8, and it comes with, let me see, 12GB of RAM and 256GB of ROM. Interstellar Glow. Okay, let me unbox it so that you can see what's inside. Let me put aside all these distractions and let me unbox it. Okay, I have my very trustworthy cutter. Very cute and nice cutter. Let me see, I don't want to spoil it. Such a bright red color. So this should be the top. and I should be able to open it up. Oh, nice. Oh, it's very light. I was expecting it to be a bit heavier. And okay, this is a OnePlus 8, and let me see what's inside. Okay, more brochures, and oh, this is the key, the jig that I can use it to open up the SIM card slot. And this is the charging brick. Okay, let me. Okay, it comes with the transparent casing. It's a silicone casing, and it has the word never settle, and a very nice red cable. Of course, it's a USB-C cable. And let me show you the charging brick. It's a 2-pin charging brick, and 2-pin is because this is Singapore. We use 2-pin or 3-pin, or yeah, 2-pin or 3-pin. Okay. So it has a maximum of 30-watt charging, and yeah, 30 watt. So that is about it for this unboxing. All these are the things inside the box, and of course the main event, or the main device that we want to look at. So let me open up for you. This is the back, and it has three cameras. Yeah, 3 cameras. Yeah, let me focus. One flash, and I really love the colors because it looks like it's something. It just looks different. I really love it. And on the front, yeah, you can see that there's a front facing camera here. It's a punch hole camera, and on the top it has only a microphone over here and the antenna, if I'm not wrong. And on the bottom it has the USB-C, the SIM card slot, and also I believe these are the speakers, and I believe this should be a microphone. And on the side itself, it has this power on button, and this, if I'm not wrong, is manual switch or button for it, a slide for it. And over here at this side, you can see that it has a volume up and down button or rocker switch. And I guess that is about it over here. Very nice design, very slim, very sleek. And let me share with you this. As I mentioned, this is the silicone cover that comes with the phone. So what you can do is slip it in, and it's well protected, and you will see the color, and you can see that it's a fingerprint magnet. Let me power on. it is using Oxygen OS. Hi there, English and start. Okay, agreed. Okay, I always want to enroll in user experience program. Okay, I'll skip. Okay, let me set up this phone and maybe we'll talk again. I want to share with you the fingerprint setup process. So this is the fingerprint setup process. Again, I just need to press. Okay, continue. Okay, I think it's very similar to many other brands of fingerprint registration. Nothing special. Continue. Reach. Okay, these are navigation gestures. Yeah, almost the same as many manufacturer. Okay, let me try. Home and reason. Okay. Start. That's it. Yeah, it's 5:30 a.m. in the morning. That is why I'm talking so softly. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you OnePlus to send me this wonderful package, and I'll do a review later, and I'll see you again everyone. Thank you so much. Goodbye.